Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Moazama Batool. I am sure this video will solve your big problem. You will learn to use most confusing preposition in English grammar. Are you confused about when to use in, on, at, to, into? This video will clear up the most common preposition mistakes with simple rules and examples, because these examples and practice is perfect for competitive exams and daily use as well. So let's get started. First of all, we will see the use of at. We use at for specific time and place when you are talking about an exact time or a specific place. Examples: she arrives at 5 p.m. He is waiting at the bus station. Means you have to pinpoint location or time. Second preposition is on. Use on for days and dates. On is used when mentioning days or specific dates. Examples: I was born on Monday. The meeting is on 15 August. If you are using calendar references, so use on without any hesitation. Next preposition is in. Use in for months, years, and long periods. We use in for general or longer period of time. Examples: we met in July. He was born in 1990. She will return in an hour. Use in for something not exact, just a range or time frame or some kind of time phase. Next preposition is to. Use to show direction. Use to when something is moving toward a place or a person. Examples: he is going to school. Give this book to Ali. So if there is any movement, so use to. Next preposition is into. Use into for movement inside something. Into shows movement from outside to inside. Examples: she went into the room. The cat jumped into the box. So when we use into, when if something is entering. Let's solve some common MCQs and quick fixes. So first one is, she is good dash English. Options are in, at, on, for. Correct answer is at, because good at is the correct phrase when referring to skills. Next one, the cat jumped dash the table. Options are on, onto, into, at. Correct answer is onto, because onto shows movement to a surface. Next, he has been living here dash 2010. For, since, from, by. So there we will use since. Since is used with a specific starting point in time. Next, the keys are dash the drawer. In, on, at, under. Correct answer is in, because in is used when something is inside and the keys are inside the drawer. So that's why we use there in. Next and last MCQs is, she will return dash an hour. At, in, on, for. Correct answer is in, because in is used to refer to future time. Let's summarize what we have learned in this video. We learned about 5 prepositions. First one was at, which we use for exact time or place. Next, on. On is used for days and dates. Next, in. In is used for months, years, longer periods. Next, to. To is used for direction or movement. Last one was into. Into is used for movement inside something. I hope this video is good for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Moazama Batool for more English grammar content. Comment your score below and tell which preposition confused you the most. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Moazama Batool. Allah Hafiz.